morning, good morning. I have a cold and it's been driving me nuts for the better part of a few days. So I apologize in advance. But today is it's a quick morning just before I go to work, and it's going to be depends on how much change I have, a $24.37 thrift challenge, roughly. Let's go for their $20 thrift challenge. And then I'm gonna go get a coffee. And there is one ugly Lambo. What is wrong with that color? It's like teal or aqua or something. Anyway, $20 thrift store challenge. Now, if you remember the last $20 thrift store challenge, I bought that Tim Burton Nightmare Before Christmas cuckoo clock. And I hate to say it, but I got a little bit burned on that. I had high expectations for that thing, but I listed it $79 and there's no bites. I listed it at a $29 auction and there were no bites. So then I put it down to like a 99-cent auction or something like that, just to see where it would float. And it ended up going for, I forget, $11 or $12 or something like that. Here, I'll let you take a look at that. Actually, the car's in the dash cam. You don't have to see it. Anyway, yeah, so $11 or $12. I charged shipping, everything else. I think I might have lost $1. Been up $1, lost $1, something like that. Why is this guy approaching this Lambo guy? We're looking at his car. Oh, his mirror's out. Dash cam gonna catch that? I don't know. Anyway, guy got out of his car and walked around to play with his mirrors. So, I'm gonna hit the Value Village. First I gotta hit the bank, take some cash out. Then I'm gonna hit the Value Village. And then we shall see what we can get for 20 bucks, and hopefully we can actually make money on this one. So, let's go inside. So the secret is, do I buy something for 15 and sell for 30, or do I buy it for 15 and sell it for 50? We'll take our chances with the 15 with the fog machine. What are these guys worth? It's funny, sometimes the Ken dolls sell for more than the Barbies just because they're more rare. But it's the clothes that sell really well. That's why they're all naked.
I think that was 43 cents. 43?
Okay, so that took us 22 minutes roughly, and we spent $20.43. It's too bad I didn't have a coupon like she was saying, because that would have helped a little bit too. But on the flip side, I think the bingo spinner, I spent $3 on, $2.99, and I think that might be the dark horse in this race. Just for the fact that I think even the spinner itself, excuse me, well, let's see. If all the balls are there and the whole kit's there, that could be a $50 bill. And the DVD player, I'll have to test it, but it came with the remote and the cables, and it looked really good. Like, it looked pretty new. So let's see what kind of money that gets. But right now, let's go get a coffee. World's crappiest coffee. All right, let's go turn this thing on and take a look at this ball and see if we can get our money out of it. Mess now, but this is plugged in, turned on, it's got it, it's doing something, it's loading. Oh, gigantic. Look at that, there it is. So that seems to be working. Enter. All right, well, that's a good sign. Okay, disc 2 works. All right, let's go check the bingo ball. Okay, so this is the bingo cage set. And I think we lucked out because when I opened it up just a second ago, it is brand new and complete. So I paid $2.99 for this. So this is the thing you put the balls on. There are all the balls unopened and they are all numbered. You can see kind of through the bag there. That's like F or I-21. Cards for the players, instructions, and things for the players to put on their cards. Brand new, complete. And let's take a look at the comparables over here. And I think you'll see that for $2.99, I should be getting my money back pretty easy on this. This was the lucky find of the day. I did spend my $20. Let's check back in a week or so and see what we get. Now, if you like these kind of videos, leave a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Either way, I'm easy. Let me know what you get for your $20 and how much you made off it, and we shall talk again. Thanks for watching.